Today, I would like to demonstrate a GeoData search. Let's go to the main screen and do a search of all the campaigns. In here, we show that all the row servers today, and we can do a little more. Let's say we do a search for week's data. As we can see, for a week, we get a lot more data and the campaign. We can do based on a district or particular work time. Let's say for slope repair. As you can see, the slope repair are mainly in the urban area. We can do something similar. Let's say, let's do the structural damages and the repair. Wow, as we can see that the road structural maintenance are mainly in the central. That's another use of this is to monitor about all the road repair. Let's say, let's do everything and what are the roads that are still in progress. That means it's not completed. Well, we can see quite a few of them, and we can go to the detailed stuff and see exactly what happened. Let's say we click on this one. Wow, in here we see all the details, and we also see the row and also all the photo about this case. So you can drill down and see exactly what happened to what we got. So that is the end of the demonstration. Thank you.